sound T and sound E. T. Tall. Thing. E. Elephant. Egg. Now point out at the picture that represents the word that the teacher is mentioning. Señala la imagen que representa la palabra que la profesora va a mencionar. Egg. Very good. Elephant. Great. 10. Tall. Excellent. Well done.